So in this video, we are going to see about a palindrome number or a string. So first of all, what is a palindrome number? A palindrome is a word, number, phrase or any other sequence of character which read the same backward as forward. For example, if, if I am writing madam. So if you will write from the backward, you will read from the backward. So backward character is M, then A, then D, then A, then M. So this is a palindrome string. Similarly, if you will talk about any number, suppose 199991, and if you will write the number from backward, again you will get 1 and then all the 9 and then 1. So this type of number or a string, when it is written from backward, if it is same to the original string, then that type of number or a string is called as a palindrome. So we can write a palindrome program using two methods. The first is using a string method. String method is very easy, and using loop, that is logics. So I am going to discuss both the method here. So first let us talk about the string method. It is very easy. Simply I'll start. Okay. Now simply I will write how to take a value from a user. Yes, num is equal to input, enter number or string to check. This method, which I am going to show you, this method works for both string and integer both. Okay. Now we are having a number or string. The type of that, you all know that the input function returns string data type. So it will return a string. Okay. So here very simple. What I will write, a simple if first I will take a temporary variable temp. In this temporary variable I am going to reverse it. See, for reversing, just see, if I am writing num, I am writing here hello. Okay, and if I am writing num, it will show me hello. You all know about the range function, you all know about the square bracket, that means slicing a string. So here also I am going to use slicing a string. So if I am simply writing square bracket and then the two colon, what it will do, it will show me all the text if I am not specifying any parameter here. Suppose here what it takes, the starting index, here the ending index, and here the step. So if I will simply don't write any index here, so what it will do, it will simply print the entire text. Suppose if I will write here -1, then what it will do, see, it will print the letter, print the string from the backward. Very easy. Understood the concept, understood the logic which I am going to use. It's very easy. What I am going to do, I am going to first of all, I am going to reverse the number using this logic, and I am going to reverse it, and I am going to store it in a temporary variable. The same logic I am going to use here. So temp is equal to num and then the slicing technique and then the 2 colon -1. Okay. Now what I need to check now, if this number is equal or not. So for checking, you all know that we have if num is equal temp. Why is equal? Because for comparing two strings or any two things, we have this equal operator, equal operator. Okay, and then if it is so, then I'll be writing print it's a palindrome. What else? Print it's not a palindrome. Now let us execute this and see. Palindrome. Okay. So enter, it is asking me the entire number or a string. Suppose I am going to write hello. It's not a palindrome, of course, obviously. So let me give one space here so that good. Okay. Now I'm going to write here madam. So it's a palindrome because just now we have seen. Now suppose if again I'm going to execute this, if I'm giving a number 1991, so again it's a palindrome. Now this is a very simple logic, it's a very simple program. You can see taking an input from a user and then reversing it using this slicing operation, using this slice, and then just comparing it that whether the reverse number is same as that of a original number, and then printing it. Understood? Now we are going to discuss the next method. In this method, we have to learn few operators. We have already learned these operators. Let us see this one by one. Suppose if I am specifying here I is equal to 1991, suppose, and suppose I divided by 10, what you will get? A complete division. ठीक है? I divided by 10, what you will get? You'll get the answer, that is quotient we will get without decimal. Similarly, I percentile 10, what you will get? Remainder. So we are going to take help of this two operator, this division and this percentile. See what logic I am going to do, what logic I am going to write. um, See what logic I am going to use. It's very simple. What I will do, suppose if it is a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's a number. What I will do, using modulus operator, I will take a single digit of this number. So to take a single digit, you know that if we will divide a number, it means if we will use this operator and divide it with 10, you will get a single digit 5. Similarly, I will repeat it. For repetition, that means of course we are going to use a loop. Let us start it. So I'm going to delete this. Acha. Listen one thing, that this method which we are going to see here, it's only for number, not for string. So I'm modifying it, enter number to check, and we know that the input function returns a string, so we have to convert it into integer by using int function. Okay, now we are having int. See, few things. First of all, I am going to store this number in a variable called temp. This you will understand it later on. Okay. Then after that, I will declare a variable that is called as reverse, in which I am going to store the value from backward. That means 5, I will store it in 5, and then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Okay, I will store it in this manner. So first, that is why I am declaring a variable reverse, which will hold the value returned in each stage. Okay, now I will run the loop while what will be the condition, what will be the ending condition? It should be that number while n is greater than, while num is greater than 0. This loop should execute till the number becomes 0. See how? Look here. When I will divide it with 10, I'll update the num. Okay. I'll show you the logic. First, you look here. What I'm going to write here num. Then I'm going to take the number dig. I'm going to have a variable digit is equal to. In this variable digit, I'm going to store a single digit. ठीक है, a single digit returned by this modulus operator. What it will return, whatever number the user will enter, it will return, it will store the remainder. Okay, and then what I will do, rev is equal to rev into 10 plus dig digit. See what is happening here. Suppose the number is 1 2 3 4 5 itself. Okay. First time when the loop will execute, here the number is num is equal to 1 2 3 4. First time when the loop will execute, first of all, this dig is equal to num percentile 10. What it will return? It will return 5. So in digit, what it is there? 5. This we are doing dry run, and in reverse previously the reverse is was 0. Previously reverse was 0. Okay, Now what I am doing, rev is equal to, I am updating the value of, I am updating the number of rivers. Rev is equal to rev into 10. This I will make you understand why I am multiplying it with 10, plus 5, means plus digit. Okay, now what is there in rev? Previously it was 0, now also it will be 0 only, into 10. Okay, plus what is the value of digit now? 5. Okay, so this into 10, it will be 0, 0 plus 5, answer will be 5. Okay, this is for first loop. Acha, it is not completed yet. Let me write the full command what I am going to use here. Then I am going to write here num is equal to, I have to update the number also, num is equal to num divided by 10. See, I am previously also I have told you that I am going to use two operator, one is percentile operator and one is division operator. Acha, why I am doing this? See what will be the result of this. Very simple. First of all, I'm going to write it, num is equal to num percentile 10, sorry, divided by 10. What I'll get it, what was the value of num? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 10, what I'll get, num is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 10, and the answer is what? 1 2 3 4. Now my num is storing 1 2 3 4, and this loop will run till the num has a value greater than 0. Understood till here? Okay. Okay, now for the next loop, again dig is equal to num percentile 10. Acha, what is there in num? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. ठीक है, 1 2 3 4 percentile 10. What will be the answer? Now in dig what it will be there? 4, because the remainder is definitely, the remainder is 4. Now again rev is equal to rev into 10 plus dig. ठीक है, now what is there in rev? Previously in rev the result was 5, so here also 5 into 10, sorry, 6, 5 into 10 plus what is the digit? 4. What is the digit? 4. So 5 into 10 is 50. 50 plus 4 is 54. Understood? See, if you will see the previous number, the original number, it is 1 2 3 4 5. And now we have already generated this 4 and 5. Similarly 3, then 2, then 1. This step will repeat again till the number is 0. Okay, now what is the next? Num is equal to num divided by 10. Okay, so I'm going to write that num is equal to num divided by 10. You all know that this operator will return a quotient. So what is the number? What is the num? I'm writing side of it. What is the num? 1 2 3 4 divided 10. So what you will get? 1 2 3. Understood? So in every loop the value of num is also getting updated and the value of reverse is also getting updated. Okay, let us complete this dry run. Okay, now in the next loop again dig condition is correct, num is greater than 0, because in num the value is now 123. Okay, the loop is also getting executed slowly. Now dig is equal to again num percentile 10. So what is inside the num? 1 2 3, then percentile 10. What you will get in digit? Dig is equal to what? 1 2 3, dig is equal to 3. Okay, now again rev is equal to rev into 10 plus dig. Acha, what was there in rev? Let us see. In rev it was 54. Okay, write it 54 here, 54, and then into 10, and then plus dig. What is digit now? 3. Acha, 54 into 10, 540. 540 plus 3, it will be 543. Understood? Very simple logic. And then again num is equal to num divided by what? 10. Achha, what will be this? What was num? 1 2 3 divided 10. So what we will get? 12. So similarly this loop will continue till the number becomes 0. Understood till here everyone? Okay, good. Now we all know that the number is now stored in, that the reverse number which we are getting, you can clearly see that the reverse number is getting stored in rev. Now what we have to do? Simple, just like in previous code, what we have did, we have compared the number, that reverse number is equal to we are storing the actual number in temp. That is why I have stored this number in temp. I have already told you in that time also that I will tell you that why I am using this variable temp. So because the number is getting updated in every execution of the loop, the value of num is getting changed. As you can see here, the value of num is getting changed, so we cannot compare this num with rev. So previously, before starting of this loop, I have stored the number in temp. So I'm going to compare it. Rev is equal to 10, then what? Then else, right? Print palindrome. Else what? Print not a palindrome. Understood, everyone? Now let us save it, run it. Okay, enter number to check. Let me say 1 2 3 4 5. It's not a palindrome. Of course it's not a palindrome. Let us write some other number, 19991. It's a palindrome. Is that clear? Thank you.